Jopuonj mag KUPPET Bomet koro onyiso ich wang' margi ewi duoko mar duol mandiko jopuonje tich e pacho ka TSC mar dayo dho jopuonj ka gilieko ni TSC onge ler ewi chenro mag pogo lemo mag jopuonj e kauntino kendo ok gimor kaka TSC ne opogo lemo mag jalup director mochung' ne weche mag somo. Kutane kod jagoro mar KUPPET Bomet Paul Kimeto, jopuonj go wacho ni ok gimor gi lai manotigode e yiero jogo ka gilero ni kind jopuonj 50 manochopo mondo mi odadho gi ariyo kende ema noyier.
We are receiving 2, but just one county got 20 teachers promoted to different levels. We do not know the criterion the Teacher Service Commission used. So that is why today, with my team and the members of KUPPET Bomet branch, we've come here to demand for the criterion and to demand that we are told how many slots were given to every county.
We are demanding as Bomet, we want our own local personnel whom we have in our schools to be given those positions. And if the government is going to continue with that criteria or giving us people from outside to come and man our schools, we are going to stage a serious demonstration to do away with those individuals.
We have the interviews that are actually around the corner, and we are asking Teacher Service Commission, if it is possible, at least you have provided the score sheet, and that is actually transparency and accountability.